If you're anything like me, you absolutely love the new Modern Warfare 3. Oh, never mind. But I'm not talking about the multiplayer. I'm talking about the zombies. With the new update that, well, flopped, there might have been a new change which buffed the loot drops from tier 3 contracts. And in this video I'll do not 48, not 49, 50 of the new contracts to hopefully get some cool things. And with this seamless transition, we'll get straight into the gameplay in 3, 2, 1. Alright, whilst we load in with the new HMRC9, I'm gonna use a new gun. Got it leveled up, trying to get it Zircon scale. It's gonna be sick. We're gonna grind some contracts. Let's see if there's some cool shit. Oh, I need to stop swearing. Stop swearing. So I played a game after the update in the tier 3 zone. I got 2 legendary so this is gonna be sick. I know this is gonna be sick. I'm playing on dodgy internet right now because I'm at my fucking uni and it's shared between like 23 different people. I'm likely gonna crash, and if that happens, it's 11:30 right now and I'm gonna freak out. I will freak out if I crash. Anyways, oh bro, my TV just turned off when I did that. That's a terrible sign. I'm playing on such a sketchy setup too. I'll see if I can like put a clip in the video. I've even got the chewing gum to stand the TV upright, dude. I'm gonna keep like a tracker on everything I get as well, so it should be really interesting. That is where we are starting it. That is where the magic is gonna happen. I gotta run right through the eye of the storm too. That's dumb. I'm starting this on the... What day is it? What day is it? The 20th? Oh, the 21st. So I'm starting this on the 21st. It's gonna be a long one, man. Alright, contract 1 down. Fuck away from me! Make it theatrical too, bro. Okay. Alright, oh shit. Alright, I'll keep a counter in the video. It'll be sick, it'll be sick. I'll keep counting like perks, self-revives, sigils. I don't care about that sigil though. And epic tools, legendary tools, tier 2 pack crystals, and tier 3 pack crystals. Round 2, bro. I'm gonna lose count like so many times, so this is gonna be completely an editing job for poor future me. It's gonna be sick. Don't worry about it, don't worry about it. Okay, worry about it, worry about it. Drop shot it. No, that was a terrible idea. Drop shot the Mega Abomination again. Did drop shot in the Mega Abomination. No, not again. That seems like an actual work. Oh my god. I did not want that. Alright. Contract 2. Do you know what? Good enough. Good enough. Not noticing too much difference yet there. That feels like what I get normally, you know. What about contract 3? Oh shit. I wasn't paying attention. Drop shot the Mega Abomination. Drop shot the Mega Abomination. Yeah. Drop shot it for the kill, bro. Dude, I'm so fucking bad. Oh. What is that? Nice, dude. Simple Monkeys got buffed in the new update, if you didn't know. Although I am very late to the party, especially because this video is going to go out like a whole 2 weeks later. 8 seconds to 10 seconds, bro. That's sick. Oh, and they attract Hellhounds now. Hellhounds are a pain in my ass, dude. What is this thing? There it is. Oh my god, I hate movement. I'm not seeing enough movement. Fuck off! I think they nerfed the spawns on spore contracts in tier 2 and tier 1, which is like pretty fucking bad. 2, 3. Oh, I did not want to do that. 4. And oh, and 6. Oh, and 6. Jump the gun a bit there. This is gonna be legendary tool and tier 3 pack. Watch it. If it is, you gotta subscribe, bro. Do you know what? I think I'll keep count of what contracts I do as well. Flawless. Alright, contract number 5. A 10th of the way there when we've done this. On the new HMRC gun. It's gonna be awesome. Shout out to you, gun. It doesn't have a mag available for it. I've got to use 30 bullets. Are you kidding me? It's not real, right? Oh, yeah, I'll show you the actual way to go for this. The correct way, the best way, the most efficient way. No. Jesus, man. This way. I think tier 3 cargo escort has to be the easiest contract in the whole entire game. Or like tier 1 bounty hunt, but shut up. I'll even do a trick. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Was just actually not expecting that to work. That deserves a tier 3 pack crystal. Oh, you piece of fuck! And another perk, and another sigil. That counts. We're counting these as well. So I'll keep an eye out for those. I hope this isn't lagging my mic as well. I'm recording this, so I'm streaming this, and then taking stream clips. Sub to me on Twitch. No, not sub. Follow me on Twitch at IllusionWhip. Do it. Don't be a bitch. I need to do complete contracts as a 6-man. So if they're a 6-man, maybe I join. Look at him, bro. He looks like a. What is that, Venom? No, I don't think it's Venom. Contract 5. I will happily take that. Fuck this. Sharpie's so loud, dude. My flatmates can probably hear that. Check out the wheels though. Check out the wheels. Oh. Oh my. I don't mind lag, especially in like a solo player game. I'm just like absolutely mortified of crashing. Another thing is I absolutely love watching people play zombies, like regardless of the YouTube channel. Like I will watch anyone play this game. It's just so satisfying to watch. Oh, I'm out of ammo too. I think they stuck a bunch more. My friend pointed to me. They put a bunch more ammo crates on the map, I think. Just because it was such a pain having like only 2. Oh my god. Oh my god. In the tier 3 zone. Drop shot the mangler. Not the fuck off. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, you know what time it is. Drop shot the mimic. Oh, fuck off. I've done it again. Why does everything begin with an M, dude? Never mind. Run it back, run it back. Kill it with it. I'm killing it with a knife. I'm killing it with a knife. You're kidding me. The fucking... The kill stealing little weasel, bruh. Oh, I guess I should be checking this as well to see like if I get any kill streaks. Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, that's pretty good actually. I'll count juggernauts as well. Or juggernauts, sorry. If I get kill streaks, I'll count them. Was that 6? I think that was 6. You're gonna be sick of me pressing these buttons by the end of this video. Oh well. Oh shit, nice, dude. I come prepared, bro. I come prepared or I don't come at all. 1, 2. Oh. 4. I love when they're close together like that. You can do this. I'm gonna have to do this if I want to show. Yeah, 5 and 6. Let's go. Thank God for gold armor plates. And thank God for this legendary ether tool. It's fine. There's one thing you're not going to see this video, and that is me doing an escort So I'm doing an escort contract. Difference this time is that I'm not going to fail. Wait a fucking second. No fucking way. You just brought the whole of the Walking Dead to chase me, bro. And then they decided to try and suck me too. Nice. There's our fucking there's our Zircon scale for the HMR 7C9, whatever it's called. Oh, fuck. Oh, because it's in the most random spot ever. Whoa, 3, 4. Oh my god. I feel like I'm being lied to. Forget about it. Oh no, I am holding right. Have I just... There's no way. How have I done that? So hopefully that was successful. That's all for I've got today. Back in tomorrow. It is midnight. I've got to be quiet. I've got shit to do. I'm busy. Oh, this is so... Alright. First impressions. The change, absolutely, like, not a real thing. I got 1 tool in, like, 8 contracts, bro. Are you kidding me right now? Do you know how many mega abominations I drop-shotted? Like and subscribe. I'll be back in literally 1 second for you. Back for day 2 already, dude. I'm so ill right now, man. I finished up editing all of day 1, so we did 10 contracts in the end. I think I guessed like 6, so I'm kind of fucking stupid. But I thought today I'm gonna take advantage of the double XP weekend. I was kind of stupid yesterday going for Zircon scale. I'm gonna go for levels on my Bruin. Is it Bruin MK9 or something like that? Contract 11. The mic quality should be better. I got a new mic. Yeah, let's get it going. I'm feeling like knocking out a good amount today. Alright, here goes nothing. Day 2, contract 1. Let's get after it. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. That's actually the most embarrassing shit ever. Alright, do you know what? Fuck that. The next 10 contracts, gonna make it into a montage. I'm shit at editing, so this is gonna be interesting. Here goes nothing. Fuck, dude. I'm so mad right now. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Oh, what the fuck is this zone placement? Are you shitting me, dude? What the fuck is this? Hey! Actually something good for once. What the fuck? I make that 13. Why are there so many zombies? Get the fuck away from me. Oh my god, yeah, my bad. Oh no, just go back. I'm not reviving that guy either. What the fuck is this, dude? Fine, I owe it to this guy to revive him, dog. I don't get this off, actually. Just kidding. Level 11. Honestly, fuck that contract. Oh my god! Hey! Oh no! Why guys, what the fuck? Thank fuck for that. Nice. Whoa! Yeah, I think I'll count that. Where is he? Oh, what the fuck? Oh.
Hey, blow up.
Oh my god, finally. Oh, what the f... I have a plan. Nice! Oh shit! Oh, come. Oh, come on! Oh, dude! I have no idea because I haven't been counting, but I'm gonna guess this is contract 20. You know what it do. Drop shot the mega bomb. Oh no. Uh-oh. Drop shot for the kill. Fuck you. Oh my day. I might be the worst Call of Duty Zombies player in the entire So I've calmed down a bit since yesterday. And by yesterday I mean the day before. I've lost literally everything. I'm thinking I'm gonna play 2 games, and the next 2 games I'm just gonna quickly flash the contracts, completing up, just to keep this video under like 25 minutes, 30 minutes, however long. And then the last 10 we'll do like we did with the first 10, and I think that'll be the video. And then I'll conclude. I'll see what I got. But for the time being, I've got to get all this stuff back. So wish me luck. I'm gonna do that off camera though, so you don't have to watch me grind all this, because that'll be a pain in the ass for you to watch. So wish me luck. The time now is 5:30 p.m. Well, it's 28 past 5 p.m. I'll let you know the time when I'm back. Alright, I got all the gear on Nolan, but I couldn't be asked doing Ghost. It is now 5:58. I grinded some levels on the Bruin, so got all my stuff back. Should be chilling. I only have about an hour as well until I need to go and do something, so I think I'm only going to be able to knock out 10 today. Not that it means anything to you, but shut up. Another thing is, I was thinking if this video did well, I've got so many plans for this game. I was thinking of doing a multiplayer series. I've never played multiplayer in my entire life, but I think that could be fun. Like a really terrible COD multiplayer person trying out multiplayer and trying to get the mastery cameras for it. I think that could be a good idea. So I don't know if this video gets any views and like anyone wants to see that, bro. I'll be down to do that. I've got more ideas for zombies as well. I still haven't got the mastery cameras on this. I'm happy to try all that out. There's a new update. I think season 2's comes out not too far away, maybe like a month or something. Probably not even that. So anyways, yeah, enough yapping, dude. I'm gonna get straight into the contracts with some Super Mario Galaxy music. Probably. I love that game's soundtrack. Might as well try and use it in a Call of Duty video. Why the fuck not? Alright. Speak to you again when we're at 40 contracts completed. Oh, what? Oh, fuck. Huh? Bro. What? It happened again! Oh, fucking, here comes another, dude. It's like Jurassic Park. Drop shot the Mega Abomination. Oh my god! Drop shot! Wait. Bro, I didn't get a reward? Okay, back for day 5. I think it's day 5. I've lost track of the days. I'm like an old man. But I bought the Starlight operator because I'm a massive fan of the Boys TV show. So I'm representing. I thought the guns on hers were cool and the kill effect and whatnot. I haven't seen the finisher. I didn't let you preview the finisher, but we're rocking with Starlight, and I'm a big fan of the Boys, like I said. So we're gonna complete the 50th contract with Starlight. I went in for a game to try and get all the, because obviously it's a new operator. I've got to get all the stuff for her. I've got some things. I've got to make sure to get a self-revive before I fucking ruin myself again. Today we should be able to complete. I got to 37 yesterday, but I think I'm not going to count the 37th one because it bugged out and didn't give me a reward. So we've got 14 to do. I reckon I can knock them all out. I reckon I can even knock out getting all the levels on this and the challenges. Need fire damage, so I'll bring in napalm with me. There we go. Yeah, let's just get straight back into it. This is the final. This is the finale. Hopefully, unless I die. So far, I think they have re-nerfed it. I am pretty confident that it shouldn't be like this. I've found countless rare tools. I found like 3 epic tools, like no legendary tools. So I think they've nerfed it again. Is my theory, but we've got 14 more to do. Let's just get straight back into it, and let's see if we can get 1 legendary tool or 1 pack 3 crystal. Because I don't know. I'm not hopeful. I also had a hacker in my last game, which was kind of cool. At some random point, I opened a safe and got 400,000 essence, which is I've never seen before. When the fuck did I get 443,000 credits? No, what? Bro, I'm checking the footage. What the hell? When the hell did that happen? How long have I just had that sitting in my bank account for, bro? Am I tweaking? That's the real number, right? Am I hacking? Is this cheating? Am I gonna get banned? Oh, now I've been strapped for cash. Oh, I got a loading screen as well. I fucking love this. I think this looks so good. If you haven't watched The Boys, go watch it. Amazon Prime. You can probably watch it somewhere else, but mainly Amazon Prime. It's awesome. It's a great show. Had to represent. Sorry, I'll stop shilling The Boys now. Let's get back into the contracts.
Marking contract.
See, that's so good. Shout out the voice actor, actress. We're woke. Woke like Coke, bro. What? Alright, place your bets. Am I gonna die immediately? Probably, right?
The team reported phase neutralization device activation. Vendor comms went dark.
Oh, what? 37. Oh, shit. Mangler. Plug what? Holy shit, this gun is nuts, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, look how many people are here. Dude, I'm gonna have to do an escort contract. Fuck these contracts. I hate them. Alright, cut to me failing this contract. That's probably a better fucking... This is probably better than what we're gonna get in the reward. Rift. Is this reward better than a Juggernog? Yeah, I'd say so. Still dog sh**. Right, I think this is contract 39. Okay. The good thing about this one is they're always close together. I think this is 40. Bruh! Oh. Not so nice. It's 43. Not sure. Okay, that's actually. What the? Oh, piss off. He really wants to be part of the nation, bro. Let me show you why I should have passed my driving test. I'm gonna do a 360. Stupid tree. Oh, I nearly fucked that up. Get a lot of stuff, just not good stuff is the problem. Whoa! There's our fucking, what's that called? Skin ripper or something. I don't know. Yeah. Oh shit. I'll help a bloke out. I'm a good person at heart. I got you, bro. Don't do it again. Where are the stairs? Oh. Huzzah! Contract 47. Oh! Whoa! I think that's our first time getting a wonder weapon out of the reward thingy. Cool! That's cool. Fuck off! There's more. Alright, I think we're good. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't need it, but do you know what? I appreciate it, game. I may have got a little bit of assistance, and by a little bit I mean entirely carried by the turret, but... Oh shit! Okay, so it actually dropped good stuff, so let's see the portal. Huh? Check this out. I'm not fucking it up this time. Oh! That should be contract 50 done. I think that's contract 50 right there. I'll do a few more as insurance, but I think this is contract 50. So let's end it with a bang. More of a whimper, but better than what we normally get, so... Oh, no. Why is he just ascended to the heavens? Is that allowed? Is this a legal move? Oh my god, my sentry just put in work, dude. Oh!
Marked our extract point.
I can't tell if this is the real voice actor or not. Someone let me know. Someone let me know. I gotta know. I'm gonna Google it. Because it's really impressive how they've nailed the fucking the impression. I really hope that was 50 contracts. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't know. I'm gonna go and edit all of that footage. Jump cut to me doing the numbers, dude. Oh my god, that's so much more work that I put myself through. This is just the best idea I've ever had. Holy shit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for what we got in 50 contracts in the tier 3 zone that I believe have been renerfed, and counted every single contract that we have done. Oh my god, I'm gonna put some it's the most like gadgy shit you will ever see. Look at how fucking dodgy this is, dog. And here are the results. Starting with the bulk of things, we got 35 perk cans, 16 sigils, 10 self-revives, 14 kill streaks, 14 rare tools, and 7 epic tools. For ammo mods, we got 5 brain rot, 1 napalm burst, 3 dead wire, and 2 cryo freeze. Funnily enough, we got one of every single schematic. We got one Epic Tool schematic, one Elemental Pop schematic, one Tombstone Soda schematic, one Pack 2 Crystal schematic, and one Ray Gun schematic. How cool is that? Not really. One of each. That's one every 10. Oh no, that's fair because it's a 5%. No, it's a 5% chance. So that's one thing that's actually pretty good. We got 5 in 50. If you do the maths, that's 1 in 10, which is a 10% chance. So they might have buffed that, but I don't know. And finally, we've got 3 Pack 1 crystals and 3 Pack 2 crystals. If you're asking me, pretty bad. Not a single legendary tool in sight. Not a single Pack 3 crystal in sight. What has happened to tier 3 contracts? I don't know, man. With all of that said, though, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. Shall I show? I've got to show you my new. I got to show you my new outro, bro. You're gonna love it.